I don't have that much camera space left, only 6 minutes. So I will try to do this as quick as I can. There's these machine things. They lift you up levels. Like this. And they don't stop. They're not friendly. They're only trying to kill you. But they do help you by accident. I'm not sure if this is the star, if it's another star. There's a star right here, I think. No. Coins. Ooh, that was close. And apparently this is a town. I'm guessing it's like the Mario Atlantis kind of thing. Oh, kid. For this one, you have to start from bottom and work your way up. I'll show you the secrets. That's one of them. That's another. When you move this thing. And you have to move this thing, because there's another one right here. These things are like toys. They have to wind themselves up. I hate that. Try not to land like that. And try not to do that. Okay, there's one there. Oh yeah, I think there's one right here. And that's the start. Oh, I actually made it. Well, that was amazing. I'll try and finish this as quickly as I can. It will be my last start for this place. So I'll try and make it quick, because I'm running out of camera space. Come on. No. 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 I may actually get this one on time. Oh, I got this on time. This is the last step of this video. I will get the last two, I think, in my next video.